our homemade candied ginger, and you just put the strips right across, on top of the ice. Yes.
Look how pretty,
That's
guys.
one.
So nice. To our cocktail lovers all around the world, this is what you're drinking. Today is about the Penicillin using Johnnie Walker Black Label. So let's get shaking.
Well, Kez, today we are down to the last lap, as we say, when it comes to Carnival.
The end of the road.
The end of the road. So I think this Penicillin cocktail works well because if we look at the ingredients, yes, we are working with 2 Scotch whiskies.
Yes.
We are working with a blended Scotch whiskey, that's a Johnnie Walker Black, and a single malt.
Okay.
However, the properties of this cocktail includes fresh ginger,
Okay.
honey, and ginger syrup. So I think let us start off almost immediately. It's not a difficult drink to make as always, and with your skill, let's go straight into it. All right?
That's first.
So we're going to start off with 3 sprigs of ginger
All right.
into your mixing glass.
One time.
One time.
Oh gosh. All right.
And you're going to apply now your ginger honey syrup.
Okay.
We're going to put 3/4 ounces inside there.
Okay.
And you get your favorite tool, the muddler.
Ah.
All right? And you do your thing. You want to make sure that ginger is crushed into that honey ginger syrup. So obviously it's going to have lots of, aromatic flavors.
Yeah, you can smell it at once.
And
coming
that
out.
ginger flavor definitely will marry well with obviously the peatness of the whiskeys as well as the smokiness of the single malts.
Right.
All right? So having done that, we're going to go straight now. So you're going to take now your blended Scotch whiskey, the Johnnie Walker Black,
Get that, Johnny.
and you're going to put 2 ounces inside there.
Okay, sure. All right. A little shake, a little shake. There we go.
Right?
That's 1.
Okay. 1 more.
And that's 2.
Right. And not forgetting our sour element, we're going to put 3/4 ounces of our fresh lemon juice.
Okie dokie.
All right. I'm going to ice you up, and you're going to do your thing with, in this case, the Boston shaker.
So it's shaking time already.
It's shaking time already. And we want to make sure this is filled all the way up.
Okay,
And you're going to apply your mixing tin.
sure. Get that on. Give
Right.
it a tap.
All right.
Then we flip it over.
And you
And
do. Perfect. So whilst you're shaking there, I'm going to ice you up. That's
almost
perfect,
at
Kez.
10.
Okay.
There we go.
Hey,
If you
Kez.
please.
Right. So now it's time to double strain.
All right. Walk me through one more
So
time.
this goes inside the tin. That's your Hawthorne
Right.
strainer. Finger behind there.
And we
you
grab
double
this
strain.
guy here.
That's right. And you double strain
Alright.
into your glass.
No problem. And right in the middle.
In the middle.
There we go.
Good.
There we go.
Now we have to apply our single malts. Okay, so I'm going to get this for you. And you're going to put 1/3 ounce
The technical part of this
of your single
game.
malt whiskey inside
Okay,
there.
sure.
You do your thing.
I will.
And you're going to float that for us.
So
okay,
1/3
that should
is
well.
right there?
That's perfect.
Alright, there you
That's
go.
perfect.
Thank you.
And now you grab your bar spoon.
All right, so let's get a little spoon.
That's right. Goes inside the glass.
All right, and we're here.
Okay, and then you're going to pour on the back of the spoon.
All right, so
Right, just make sure it kisses
make
first.
sure we touch.
Right, and you just pour on the spoon. Do your thing. Perfect, Kez.
There
That
we
is
go.
perfect. The final part of this cocktail is the application of the garnish, and
Sure.
we're going to make our homemade candied ginger, and you just put the strips right across,
Right
on
across?
top of the ice. Yes.
Look how pretty,
That's
guys.
one.
So nice.
And that's the other. And there you go.
That is a beauty. I love that smell of ginger through and through.
Now, you know, I always trust your taste. So what you're going to do is just stick those garnishes in the drink, and then you're going to do your famous sampling.
All right. So now we turn them down.
Just inside, and we're good to go.
All right.
That's going to add lots of zest and flavor to that cocktail.
Got it.
All right?
Cheers, guys. Ooh. The ginger. The
Perfect.
ginger. Lovely.
Perfect way to close any carnival.
The end of the road. We had a good time at home, having fun with each other, having
other.
good drinks. Guys, this was good. This was a good one. I mean, come on, we ended with a bang. But of course, guys, be sure to remember to drink responsibly. Even at home, it's important. And if you try this cocktail with the Johnnie Walker Black Label that you can get at Naughty Grape, let us know. We love hearing from you guys. So until next time, guys,
See you.
bye-bye.
Take care.